Part of the circle below is represented with a dashed arc. The distance of this arc is 90/360ths of the distance of the entire circle. The measure of angle x is A, 360 degrees, because it turns through 360 out of 361 degree angles of the circle. B, 270 degrees, because the difference between 360 and 90 is 270. C, 90 degrees, because it turns through 90 out of 361 degree angles of the circle. D, 4 degrees, because 360 divided by 90 is 4. Number 14. Two rays share a common endpoint in the center of a circle. Part A. The arc between the arrow is 49 out of 360 of the circle. What does this mean? Part B. Rico says the measure of the angle is 360 degrees. Is he correct? Explain. Use words, numbers, and/or pictures to show your work. Number 15. The clock shows that it is 2 o'clock. If the hands of the clock were extended, they would intersect the edge of the clock. The arc formed by these two hands would be 1/6 of the full circle. What angle is formed by the hands of the clock? A, 15 degrees, B, 30 degrees, C, 45 degrees, D, 60 degrees. Number 16. Angle SRT is 120 times the size of a 1 degree angle. What is the measure of angle SRT? A, 180 degrees, B, 121 degrees, C, 120 degrees, D, 119 degrees. Number 17. How many 1 degree angles are within angle EOF? A, 4, B, 40, C, 90, D, 320. Number 18. Angle MVN is 60 times as large as a 1 degree angle. What is the measure of angle MVN? A, 180 degrees, B, 120 degrees, C, 60 degrees, D, 59 degrees. Number 19. Sherry's map shows 3 of the streets near her house. What is the measure of the angle formed by Water Street and Park Street? A, 135 degrees, B, 110 degrees, C, 45 degrees, D, 20 degrees. Number 20. Angle JKL is shown below. What is the measure of angle JKL to the nearest degree? A, 55 degrees, B, 65 degrees, C, 125 degrees, D, 135 degrees. Number 21. Which angle has a measure of 125 degrees? Number 22. The measure of angle QSU is 180 degrees. What is the measure of angle RST? A, 85 degrees, B, 90 degrees, C, 95 degrees, D, 265 degrees. Number 23. A dancer turns 70 degrees and stops. The dancer then turns another 15 degrees and stops again. What is the total number of degrees the dancer turned? A, 55 degrees, B, 70 degrees, C, 80 degrees, D, 85 degrees. Number 24. Jeff drew the figure below. What is the best estimate for the measure of angle GHJ? A, 30 degrees, B, 90 degrees, C, 120 degrees, D, 150 degrees. Please be sure to check over your work. Make sure that you showed work for every problem and that you circled an answer or wrote in an answer for every question.